Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Slack account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, all we'll be needing to do is to go to the Slack website and from there we can be able to create our account. And to do so, we will be needing to go to our Slack website. In my case, I'm here on my workspace and now we want to go to slack.com. After that, you will be needing to simply click on create a new working space, and from there you will be able to create your account by connecting your email where you want to create your working space. That means you will be a member of Slack. So here you will have like to create a working space or to add your email address, or you can just log in with this Google account or the Apple account, and from there you will have an account automatically. Note that this means that you will be the owner of this working space. Otherwise, if you want to join someone's working space, all they will be needing to do is to invite you and an account will be created automatically. That means you will be needing just to have like the invitation and your email will be the invitation, and from there you will be able to access their working space. So they can simply go to their working space name here and then invite people, and basically they can add like your email. So here it will be the email, your email, and then you click on send, or they will need to click on send, and you will have like your invitation that will be sent to your mailbox, and you can join this Slack workspace. So, or they can simply click on the copy invite link, and they can send it to you, and then you can join the Slack workspace. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.